Skinny Dicky, I'm leaving you for Rich Cat.
Would you let this slide?
Would you let this slide? Let us know in the comments below.
Let us know.
But I loved you. Who's right? Comment eggplant for Skinny, like for Rich Cat.
No, I won't be weak anymore. My training arc begins now. I'm getting stronger. I'm leveling up. Oh, God. I'm gonna defeat you, villain.
Baka hentai!
Yamero! Yamete kude stop.
Is that dick good?
Yes, kid.
How good is that dick?
Oh,
How good is that